Hey you guys, it's Amy, and back by popular demand, we have another Amazon haul video. Today I'm going to talk about 3 of my favorite new Amazon products. They are a canning set, a fire blanket, and this amazing bathtub elbow rest PlayStation thing for children. There is literally something for everyone. You guys are going to want to stay tuned, find out about these products, and then go check out the links and get to shopping. Let's kick it off right about now. Okay, you guys, you know I always try to bring you the greatest products, things that you are going to use in real life, and this is definitely one that I think is so useful, so unique, and for any parent out there, you are going to want to put this in your cart right away. You might not have even known that this product existed, but you've definitely noticed the problem, and this is going to be something that is going to improve your life so much. This is a foam kneeler and elbow rest for when you are bathing your child. No more, just being sore and having sore knees and elbows, and, bath time doesn't have to be that hassle anymore. You can use this, and this is such a cool design. Look at this thick plush foam right here. It's 1.5 inches. It is really, really comfortable and sturdy. It's something that is going to support your knees, support your elbows when you're leaning over the tub. I will show you guys on screen what it looks like. But how awesome is that, you guys? No more, taking the joy out of bath time. This can be something that is really enjoyable for you and your child. You don't have to, have sore knees. This guy has non-slip on the bottom for the knee part, you see? And then the elbow part, you have suction cups that are going to stick firmly to the tub and be like right over the edge like this. It has hooks that you can hang up after you're done with it so it dries wherever, and they're Velcro hooks, so you can really put this around any object, anything. It's going to fit. It's really adjustable. This product is so well designed, and they thought of everything. Look at these pouches right here, so you can fit toys, bath time, favorites, and keep them all in one spot. There's more pockets on the outside where you can put shampoos, combs, brushes, soap, all that kind of good stuff. Different sorts of pockets, different sizes. This one right here that closes is great for like cell phones, your watch, that type of thing that you want to keep nearby, but you don't want it to fall into the tub. No more worrying about that. Just let's stick it right in here. Again, you guys, they thought of everything. There is even a hook on the side to keep your jewelry. So you can take your rings off and clip them right here, and you don't have to worry about them going missing or falling in the tub, whatever else. Just hook them right here. This is a really, really great designed product. It's got some fun little cute foam toys you can see that comes with it, but you can also put your own bath time favorites. I know every kid has their own favorite, rubber ducky or whatever. You can fit them in here as well. This is going to be something that is great to give as a gift to a first-time parent. They might not even know of that problem yet, and you can solve it before it even starts. You guys know that this can be something that you use for several years. It's made out of high quality materials. It's going to make bath time safer and more fun. Definitely check out the link in the description below. It is that time of year, you guys. Here in Florida, at least, there are so many strawberries, blueberries, and amazing fruits that are all being harvested, and you can get great deals on them in the supermarket. So if you are wanting to try your hand at making some amazing strawberry jams or jellies, this is what you need. A stainless steel canning set. I don't know if you guys can food at home, but you definitely should be, and I promise it is something that is so easy and so much fun. You will love it. It's something that I love to do. I love to do it because it allows me to make all my favorite jams and jellies exactly how I like them. Lots and lots of berries, and you can make different flavors exactly like you want. I love to can salsa, which just saves me a lot of time, because making salsa is one of those things that even if you make just a little bit or a whole lot of it, it takes about the same amount of time. So you might as well make a huge batch and then can the rest, and then you always have fresh salsa waiting for you. It's a great way to save money because you can buy produce when it is inexpensive and in season, and then enjoy it in the cold winter months when it's much more expensive to buy. So I just think canning is great, but I will say that it requires having the right tools. It's not something that is difficult to do, but without the right tools, it is going to be really, really hard, and it can be unsafe and dangerous. We're talking exploding, messy cans and spoiled food. So you do not want that. What you want is to pick up a canning set. This is affordable, it's going to be really, really fun. And I will go over these tools and show you that they are things that I use outside of canning in just my normal kitchen as well. I love this set because it is stainless steel. That's exactly what you want to make sure it is rust proof and it lasts a really long time. It's also going to hold up well in the heat because you're going to be working with high temperatures to make sure your cans and your food stay sterile. So let's go over everything that comes in your canning kit. First of all, you have your wide mouth jar funnel, so you can tell that this is probably going to be something that you can have multiple uses for in your kitchen, but it especially comes in handy when you are pouring your hot, maybe jam or jelly into a jar. It catches everything. This is great design. It also has a little hook in case you want to keep it hanging up and really organized. You have, this guy is really fun. This is going to help, it's a jar wrench. So it helps you tighten your jars because you want to get them really tight after they set. Not at first, you want to keep it a little bit loose, but once they set and they pop down, you're going to want to keep them really, really airtight. So you're going to use this. But I've also found that sometimes I struggle opening jars on my own, and you can use them to open, your pickle jar or your condiments or whatever kind of jar you have around the house that maybe you're struggling with. Use this guy. So it comes in handy. You're gonna want to pick this up, you guys, I'm telling you. This guy is for making sure you get all the bubbles out of your jar before you go to can it, because that's going to keep all the bacteria out and make sure that everything sets like it should. So you'll just shimmy this guy around the side. It's a really good tool to have. This is a unique one and one that you definitely need for this. This has a magnet on the end, so you're gonna pick up the jar lids after they are sterile out of your boiling water and place them right on, so you never have to touch them. You don't have to worry about putting more germs or bacteria or whatever into your fresh, clean cans. You can just use this guy. Again, that's one of those things that canning is not hard, but if you don't have a magnetic lid lifter, it's much more difficult. So that's why you need this set. You have your tongs that you use to keep everything sterile so you're not touching them with your hands. And again, these are just really, really nice tongs. I like them a lot. They're stainless steel and they feel really great in your hands. I use these for way more than just canning. So this is something that you can pick up and know that you're gonna have multiple uses for them. This is your jar lifter. This is one that works with so many different sizes. I've canned with a lot of different size jars before, and I haven't found any that don't work with this guy. You're talking your wide mouth jars, small guys, everything. It's gonna work perfectly with this. I love this set too because they are so cute. It comes with this little stickers that you can put on there, homemade, and kind of tells what it is and the date on it, so you keep really organized. I think these are adorable. Definitely, you guys take up canning, learn how to do it, get the right tools for it, and treat yourself to your favorite foods year-round, and maybe even make a gift for your neighbors or your friends. Everyone enjoys good homemade food, and this is a great way to share it with your loved ones. You guys pick this up, you will be so glad you did. You guys, I am so genuinely excited to tell you all about this fire blanket. I had never heard of a fire blanket until recently, and honestly, I am so surprised that they are not more popular than they are. They are really just catching on in the US, and I wanted to share this with you guys so you can grab one and switch over from your old fire extinguisher, or just add this to your safety kit. Keep one in your car, take them with you camping. put one in the office. Let me tell you all about them. I'm really excited about it. So you see that this is a fire blanket. It's made of flame retardant fiberglass. These are extra thick. They will stop a flame in your house. They can be reusable if they aren't damaged in the fire. They are really, really amazing. Totally inexpensive. So you're gonna find them much more affordable and easier to use than your old school fire extinguisher. Plus, unlike a fire extinguisher, they don't expire. I just checked, my fire extinguisher right now is expired. So I'm gonna have to buy a new one, and those are not cheap, you guys. Plus, I fortunately have never had to use a fire extinguisher, but I don't know if you've thought about it before. I don't even know that I know how to use one. And I know that there are certain fires that you should not use them on because they can make the fire worse. That is not the case with a fire blanket. They're going to be much safer, also much cleaner. You don't have all of that residue to worry about cleaning up afterwards. Also, if you inhale the dust and stuff from your fire extinguisher, it can cause pneumonia. None of that happens. None of that you have to worry about with a fire blanket. It's going to be a much safer solution for your house, and just something to add in as well. You can keep them in different rooms. I just think that these are genius. It's definitely something that you should keep in the trunk of your car. Take with you camping, add to the office, definitely for sure have in your kitchen, children's rooms. Really, really no reason not to add this to your life. This is just an excellent product, and I hope that it will help keep you guys safe. Definitely put these in your cart. And this is the brand of fire blanket that you want for sure. This is going to be thicker and also provide more protection up to a higher heat than the standard fire blanket. It also has metal hooks, so they're easy to hang and keep somewhere really visible, keep somewhere maybe on the inside of a drawer, somewhere where everyone in your family knows where it is and how to get to it. Also, you notice this bright orange color. It is not just for fashion. It is to make the fire blanket even more visible. If there is a low light condition or it's smoky, you're going to be able to see this because it just really pops and stands out. Definitely, you guys, keep yourself safe. I love this product. I love that it is just improving on the old school fire extinguishers. It's an even better way to keep your home safe, and it's more affordable and accessible for everyone. I definitely recommend them. I hope that they are going to catch on even more in the US, and you guys can start that craze right now. Go check these out and order them today. Thank you guys for sticking around. Don't forget to check out the description and check out these links and put these items in your cart. I know that you will not be disappointed. Adios, amigos.